I don't like long intro, so I'm going to go directly to what we are here for today, is to show you how you can add your LUTs on your video or your picture right inside CapCuT. How can we do that? It's very easy. Firstly is to drag your video from your media pool. So I have this video here that I want to add the LUTs on. This is how our video looks like, completely different. You see how it's playing, you can see the colors and what have you. And after we add a lot to this and make some few adjustment, and you're going to see exactly how it will take your video or your footage to the next level. Let me not waste time, let's get there. So now we have our video here. So what we need to do is to add a LUT. I've already downloaded the LUTs. I've saved them right on my PC in a specific folder so that I can easily locate it. So in CapCuT, in DaVinci Resolve is different, but this is in CapCuT. I'm going to show you how you can do that in DaVinci Resolve. So just click on the LUTs, the adjustment, and you will see LUTs here. You can import. I've already imported them. So what I'm going to do is to try one of the LUTs. So I'm going to take this LUT and drop it on the timeline and do some adjustment. So now let's play this video and see. Watch and see. Exactly. So now you see the color have changed from one end to the other. So here you can come here and play with the different color that you wish to play with. Here you can also see red. These are the basic part is right here, and this is the name of your LUTs. So if you click here, you're going to see different types of LUTs all here. 4K bleed LUTs and all of you are all made available here. So you can just do some adjustment, but you come to curve. Here is the overall brightness of this video, so you can just take a look and maybe drag it down and what have you. So I'm going to leave it as it. So if you want to, just click on add here and it's going to show you the different lines. So you have white, you have red, blue, so you can play with the different types of color that you want to adjust your video into. So for this video, I don't want to make it long. Subscribe to this video. Do not know this content is value. Yeah, so you have to subscribe and just drop a comment, like this video, because one like is equal to one prayer on the YouTube algorithm. See you in my next video.